Most people don't fail to save money because they don't earn enough. They fail because they never learn how to keep what they earn. You know that feeling when you promise yourself you'll start saving, and then the month ends, and nothing is left? The bills are real, expenses pop up from nowhere, and somehow your balance resets to zero. It's frustrating because you're working, you're trying, and yet your account never grows. Part of you thinks, maybe money just isn't for me. Another part watches other people saving, investing, moving ahead, and wonders what they're doing differently. The truth is not about willpower. It's about structure. Saving your first 10,000 isn't about being perfect. It's about building a system that makes saving unavoidable. Here's the simple idea most people miss. Money doesn't grow from what you plan to save. It grows from what you never allow yourself to spend. If your savings depend on whatever is left at the end of the month, there will never be anything left. But if you move money first before anything else, your brain and your lifestyle adjust automatically. Step 1 is this: decide a fixed percentage, not a random amount. Could be 10%, 15%, or even 5% if things are tight. The number matters less than the habit. Every time income comes in, the first move is automatic transfer to savings. Not after groceries, not after fun spending. First, this is you paying your future self before the world collects its fees. Step 2, make your savings hard to touch. A separate account works best. The easier it is to move money back, the easier it is to break your promise. Think of this account like a glass box. You can see it, but you don't break it casually. No debit card attached. No impulsive transfers. When it's slightly inconvenient, your brain stops treating it like spending money. Step 3, track where your money leaks. Not every expense is loud. Some are small and silent. Subscriptions you forgot. Food deliveries that seem harmless. Impulse purchases you justify as just this once. For 1 month, write every expense down. Not to punish yourself, but to see the truth. When you see the leaks, you stop blaming low income and start fixing behavior. Step 4, raise the gap, not just the income. People think they'll save when they earn more. But when income rises, lifestyle rises faster. New phone, new dinners, new comfort. The real skill is this: keep your lifestyle slightly behind your income. Every raise, every bonus, every side earning, increase your saving rate before your lifestyle catches up. That is how people quietly build wealth. Step 5, make it emotional. Saving is not about numbers. It is about identity. Tell yourself, I am the kind of person who keeps money, not just makes it. Picture what 10,000 means to you. Safety, options, a flight ticket when life changes, a cushion between you and panic. When saving is connected to who you are, not just what you do, the habit becomes natural. Here's the part nobody tells you. The first 10,000 is the hardest. Not because of math, but because of mindset. You're rewiring how you see money. You're moving from surviving to building, from reacting to planning. One day you'll open your account and see 5 digits sitting there. Not from luck, not from a miracle, but from quiet, consistent choices that no one else noticed. And when that moment comes, something inside you shifts. You don't just have more money, you have proof. Proof that you can trust yourself. Proof that you're capable of building, not just dreaming. If this is starting to make sense to you, it means you're already changing. You're not someone who waits for someday. You're someone who learns how to keep what you earn. Saving your first 10,000 isn't the finish line. It's the moment life stops happening to you and starts responding to you. Saving your first 10,000 won't feel like a movie moment. There won't be fireworks. It will just be you, looking at that number and realizing something has shifted. You're no longer surviving month to month. You're someone who can build, keep, and protect what you earn. That calm confidence is the real reward. And if this message hit you, it isn't luck. It means you're already becoming the kind of person who doesn't wait for change. You create it.